And before I go any further, we're going to talk about our literacy activities for today. Today, our literacy activity is all about talking. And so what you could do when you're doing the gardening, which is the most fun activity, is you could talk about the watering can. You could talk about the flower pot. Okay, some people decorate their flower pots. And here especially you can talk about the seeds. I got these giant lima bean seeds so we could see what we're doing. They're all in my little red plastic cup. So now we're going to be digging in the dirt. See, we're going to be digging with our plastic spoons. Some of you may have gardening equipment at home. Equipment is another word for tools. Yeah? Here we have our claw. I like this one. These are just basic giant plastic spoons, serving spoons. But you probably have more fancy ones. Okay, first of all, the best part, as you know, is just digging in the dirt. So what we're going to do is, oops, I almost dropped it. We're going to dig in the dirt. Here we have our giant bag of compost. I love that word, compost. Compost is just very good dirt. Okay? It's got all kind of nutrients in there and phosphorus and all kinds of healthy food for the plants. So when you're doing your gardening, I suggest you get some potting mix or compost. Or if you don't have that, any old dirt will do. So we're going to get a big scoop of this, a big scoop, lovely other word. And we're going to put this in here, like this, one scoop. I better put something under this because this is going to put the watering can down here because it's a bit leaky because watering can. So we'll put this here. And then one scoop. Look at this. This is work, people. Two. So now I have 2 scoops in here. So I'm going to make a little hole in the middle, you know. And I'm going to put my giant seed in here. Look at this. Pop that right in there. Now some people soak these first to maybe help the root to come along, but we haven't got time for that today. And so put a 3rd scoop on top. Look at that. 3 scoops of dirt. So push this away again. We don't need any more dirt right now. And now, what's the next thing we're going to do? We're going to put some water from our leaky watering can. I love this one. How much water? We just don't even worry about it because in the bottom, at the bottom, there's a little tiny hole. And if you have too much water, it will drain out into your pan. Look, it's leaking already. Can you see the water drops? They're pouring. Are we ready? Look at this! Fun! Oh my goodness, am I going overboard? I think I just... Okay, now I think I drowned my poor seeds, but it's going to be fine. So we'll put the watering can down here. We're going to bring it all the way over here and let it sit in the sun right here. The only thing it needs now is lots and lots of time to grow. Now we're going to pretend to be weeds, everyone. Okay? This is the same rhyme as I'm a little teapot. I'm a little green weed, growing very fast. I'm hiding in the garden, but it won't last. Someone's going to find me and give a little shout. Weed! And then right over and plant